Hello, Arden Kirkland here with another screencast about Digital Clothing Suite. Okay, here we are in our garment view, but we're ready to go into the simulation. So we're in the garment tab. On the lower menu, we click on Garment, Garment to Simulator. Now in this case, I've already pre-loaded the simulation. It takes a while to render, so I'm going to say no here, but if I were starting over, I would be saying yes. And now we're going to click on the Simulation tab. Usually what we do here is to go under Static or Dynamic and choose which one we want. In this case, we're going to start with the static simulation. The difference there is she's just standing still. The dynamic is with her moving. It's good to do the static one first to make sure that your garment is forming properly. All the seams are coming together and you haven't made any mistakes in terms of your seaming, etc. Because it does take a while to render. It takes a lot longer to render the dynamic one, so you don't want to waste that time if you have some problems. Then typically you would click on Ready to Play, and then it just takes a couple seconds to get started, and then you click on Play. Now in this case, as I said, I've already had it render once, so I had clicked on Reset, and now I'm going to click on Play, and we'll see the fabric fall into place on her body. Now it's pretty fun, but there are a couple things. You see how you're kind of seeing the skin through her body? That's because of the slow, old nature of this computer. That wouldn't really be the case if we had a newer PC that we were doing this on. We would really be seeing the solid garment through. So yes, this is not some kind of funky design on here. This is just a kind of a fault in my graphics card processing the garment. But you see how the garment now is all seamed together and falling on the body. So there we are, our digital clothing on the body in 3D.